Welcome to Tech Explained 365, where we take technology tools and help you learn how to use them to your best advantage. Have you ever had a recorded conversation where you wanted to get a transcript, but didn't want to go through the effort of retyping it yourself or listening through the entire thing? If so, then this episode is for you. Today, we're going to be talking about the transcribe feature that's available in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word does have a dictate feature where if you were to click that button, talk to Microsoft Word, it would show you the text that you're speaking. That's a handy feature if you want to create a document by talking. However, what we're talking about is a different use case where you have recorded a conversation and you want to transcribe that recorded conversation. So possibly you're having an in-person meeting with your colleagues and everybody agrees that it can be recorded. That way you have your notes and your takeaways without a lot of menial note taking. You can't do that in the desktop version of Word. What you see here is only the dictate where you can talk to Word and it's going to put those words into the document. Also, if you are a Safari user, what you're going to notice is the dictate feature is not here at all, let alone the transcribe feature. So that's a very unfortunate limitation of the Safari version. But have no fear, if you use Chrome, what you're going to find is both the dictate feature and the transcribe feature. It's here on your ribbon bar on the home area. So if you create a new document on home, there's a little microphone for dictate. Click the drop down to the right, and there is transcribe. A little caution, you can only transcribe 300 minutes of content each month. So that is 5 hours of time. So use it sparingly. It is multi-language capable. So if you speak something other than English, that is supported as well. And here is where you upload that pre-recorded file. So I'm going to click on upload, grab a 5-minute conversation that I recorded ahead of time. And now it's going to upload to your OneDrive, so it will be stored in the cloud. When that upload is complete, then it's going to begin transcribing that text. We will make you watch the whole thing. We'll use the magic of video editing, so we'll skip right to the end. But this is only going to take about a minute or so. And here we go. We've just ended the transcription. It did not take long at all. And so in this audio file, if you were to listen to it, you will see that there is a speaker. We see what they were discussing, and we see the timestamp if you wanted to jump ahead and listen to any part of that conversation. Now, it's not super helpful to have speaker 1 and speaker 2, so we could name our speakers and apply it to speaker 1 throughout the file so we don't have to make lots of edits. And we can go to speaker 2, and let's say this is a conversation with Bob. Now we have a transcript of where Dan and Bob were talking throughout this transcript. If you wanted to, you could click on this timestamp and it will begin playing.
In ourselves from.
So that's kind of handy if you want to jump around. If you want the transcript into your document, click on Add to Document. And you have some options. You can take only the text. We've named the speaker, so that could be valuable. We have the timestamps, so that's helpful. Or you can take speakers and timestamps, which is what I'm going to do. And in only a matter of seconds, we have the audio file, a hyperlink to where it went in the OneDrive, and a transcript by speaker with timestamp. And now you could do cool things like use your Copilot to summarize this conversation, pull out those action items or the key points from it. Hopefully, you appreciate the ability to use the transcribe feature in Microsoft Word through the Chrome browser using the cloud version of Office. If you have any questions, let me know. If there's a topic you would like shared on Tech Explained 365, put it in the comments. We would appreciate it if you liked, shared, and subscribed. Thank you very much.